Hello everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. I want to share a project with you. Whew. I'm sitting outside like I try to do a little bit every day. It is hot and muggy today. Ella wanted to be outside, so I'm letting her wander around and enjoy some time out here. There she is, doing her little thing in the yard. And I tell you what, I haven't even seen many birds out here. We're almost out of bird seed. And yes, our new bird feeder, it's done real well. The squirrels have been under it getting the seed, but they've not been able to get the seed out, so I haven't figured it out. So that bird feeder has worked real well. But anyway, back to my project, the reason I came on here. This is one of those little things that came from Dollar Tree. A lot of people get them and they make shelves and whatnot with it. I found this one a while back and it was in my stash and I was hanging on to it. I liked this one. It says, this home is forever blessed. I like the colors and everything with it, but I knew I was going to do a little DIY with it, you know, make it a little prettier than what it was. But I did like the what it said and the flowers on it. I just wanted to do a little distressing with it and everything. So when I was going through some of my stuff, you know, organizing and all, I found this one and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to kind of do a little quick thing with it because I knew it wouldn't take long and I felt like messing around with it, so I did. And I just got one of my files. It was just an ordinary one of those Dollar Tree fingernail files, those big chunky ones, and I distressed it real good on the sides and the corners, you know, where it looked like it needed to be worn. And then I also kind of rubbed over it some to sand it up, to just give it a good distressing, you know, in places, because I really wanted it to look vintage looking, you know, and old. So that's what I did. I had gotten some glitter glue stickles, and I did get that and paint over it, so you might can see that a little bit. And if the sun was out, you could probably see it better. There's also I used the oh, what's it called? I can't even think of what it's called, and I don't have it in front of me. It's up in my craft room. Well, I can't think what it's called. It's not the glitter, it's the but it comes in like the stickles, but it's the other stuff. Well, y'all know what I'm trying to say, but it's I use that for the inside the flower right there. And then I got some of the distress stickles and I used a little bit up, painted it inside too, but I rubbed a lot of it off because I didn't want it to be too glittery. And I also got I had used some clear varnish just to protect everything, and just use clear varnish all over everything just to protect it, because this is nothing but paper over this cheap board thing. So because actually I had to glue some of the paper down. I think it was right here actually. Glue it back down because it was actually coming back up. So so yeah, that's all this is paper down on the board. And then I found some little metal embellishments that that I wanted to use to put down, because I knew I wanted to put something down on it. And a button. This little metal embellishment I've had in my stash for quite a while. I'd gotten 2 of them, oh gosh, probably over a year ago, and I'd been waiting for the perfect time to use it, so I decided I wanted to use one of them, because I'd been basically just hoarding it because I wanted to save it for a perfect use, and I thought this was a good time to use it. I thought it looked really good on this. And I got this from Carmen Elemental Designs, my good friend Carmen. Hey Carmen, thank you. I finally got to use one of those flowers you made for me. So the key and this embellishment here and the button and the cross, I've had just forever. I don't know if someone gave them to me, or I probably just had them where I've just had collected them or something and just kept them and waited to use them. Probably some broken jewelry. Actually, I think this was a broken hair clasp or something. This probably came from Michael's. This came out of a kit, and yeah, I think this may have been just a piece of broken jewelry or something like that. Or broken something. So it broke off of something. I know that. I can't remember what it broke off of, but I know it broke off of something, just like that was a broken hair clasp. So anyway, so I finally found some uses for them, because I keep all kinds of things like that. I don't have a lot of little metal pieces. I wish I had some more. That's why I don't just use a lot of that stuff until I know exactly what I'm going to use it for, because then when I need it, I don't have pieces to use. So I thought, oh good, yeah, now I can use some of those little pieces that I've been waiting to use, and I thought it just looked perfect on here. So I like that, and I can hang that up. I'll probably hang it in my craft room, since it's got the purple in it. And but yeah, I really like that. Just wanted to share that with y'all. I wish I could do a processing video with y'all, but I would be afraid it would take too long to do, and with having to upload the way I have to upload and everything, I don't know how it would do, since I'm getting bit out here. So I just have to kind of wait until I can get my laptop and everything. Of course, this didn't take too long to do, but with drying time and everything, so I don't have any way of editing all that out. So that's why I haven't done any processing videos for you guys. But as soon as I get a laptop and can edit stuff like that out, I can try and do some of those. So anyway, if you do like this, I would appreciate if you'd please give me a big thumbs up. Please share and comment if you like this, and please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. That really helps me out a lot. So thank you for watching, and y'all have a very blessed day.